Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Rita's Workshop. Let's read our teaching point and see what we're going to learn today. Teaching point. I can think about what the author wants me to learn about this topic. So today we're going to talk about what an author is. And an author is someone who writes the words in your book. So all the words in your book, an author wrote that, and that's what we call that person. So authors write books for many different reasons. Some authors want to entertain you and make you laugh. So a lot of books like that are funny and want to make you laugh are not real. Those are fiction books, but we've been reading nonfiction books. Other authors may want to make you agree with their opinion. An opinion is what you think. Nonfiction authors write their books to help readers learn more information about their topic. So all of our books for this reading unit has been nonfiction. And you've been reading nonfiction books which have been teaching you so many different types of things. So today, I want to teach you that nonfiction readers can think about everything an author wants them to learn about a topic. Readers look at what is the same and different and what is different about the information on the pages. They can then reread to find parts that are similar and different across pages in a book. So we want to see if some of the information is the same or if we're learning new and interesting facts. So now we're going to go back and reread one of our nonfiction books about rabbits. We're going to go over what the author wanted us to learn. So let's look at this page. What are rabbits? Rabbits are small, furry animals. They hop around on the tips of their toes. What did the author want us to learn on this page? So I'm going to go back and reread. Rabbits are small, furry animals. They hop around on the tips of their toes. I can also look at the picture and it helps me. So on this page, I think the author wanted me to learn that rabbits can hop on the tips of their toes. Let's keep going. Rabbits have small front legs and large back legs. So I can also look at the picture and see here that a rabbit has small front legs and the back legs are much longer. So I think that is what the author wanted me to learn. The author wanted me to know and learn, and he gave me a really nice picture to show me that rabbits have small front legs and large back legs. Rabbits hit their legs against the ground to talk to other rabbits. So now, what is something that is the same on all of these pages so far? So the last page, we learned about a rabbit's legs. And on this page, the author who wrote the book and wrote the words is still talking about their legs, but it's a little bit different because now he's telling us a new fact about a rabbit's legs. When they hit their legs against the ground, they can talk to their rabbit friends. Wow, that's so interesting. Rabbits often wiggle their noses. This helps them smell and breathe. So what did the author want us to learn on this page? I think the author wanted us to learn a new fact about rabbits, that when they wiggle their nose, it helps them to smell and to breathe. Rabbits live in grasslands, deserts, forests, and wetlands. So the author is teaching us so many facts about rabbits. I think the author wrote this book to teach me. Do you agree? Do you think that I'm right? Do you think the author wrote this book to teach us about facts about rabbits? I think that he did, because if I didn't read this nonfiction book, I wouldn't know all of these amazing facts about rabbits. Rabbits eat grass, twigs, and plants. They also eat from gardens. Oh, see the rabbit eating the grass? So I think the author here wants me to know what rabbits like to eat. Rabbits have big eyes. They look for predators on the ground and in the sky. So a predator is another animal that might want to hurt the rabbit. So if a rabbit sees a predator, their big ears open up and they could hear them, and their eyes open up big and they can see them and try to stay away. Big ears help rabbits hear predators. They freeze when they hear danger. So freeze means that you do not move. So when rabbits hear a predator, remember a predator is another animal that might want to hurt the rabbit, they freeze, they don't move. So what is something that is the same on the last 2 pages? So on this page we learned that they have big eyes, and I could see their very, very large ears. And the next page, it showed me the front of the rabbit, and I could also see again their very, very big ears, and they freeze. They do not move when they hear danger. So the author, and remember the author is the person that wrote the story, wants me to know all of these facts. Then rabbits run away quickly. They zigzag back and forth to escape predators. Run! So you see the rabbit running away because it wants to stay safe. Wow, the author taught me so many facts in our nonfiction book about rabbits. Rereading this book made me remember even more facts about rabbits. So your activity is now, I would like you to go and read the nonfiction book, Animals Can Move, on RazKids. Tell all your teachers what the author wanted you to learn from reading this book. You can make a video telling your teacher all the things you learned in the book, or you can write on paper and draw a picture. I learned, and write what you learned and draw a picture to match what you learned. Okay, we cannot wait to see all of your wonderful work today.